Hello, everybody. It's Dark Wolf here, and I am tired. I just woke up, but I figured we could do some Will You Press the Button today. Alright, let's get started. You become a member of a successful band. You're the bassist, and they play the music you hate. There's not really much music that I hate. No, actually, that's not true. Um, no. If I'm gonna be a member in a band, I'm gonna want to be in a I'm gonna want to be in a band that has like music that I like, because then what's the point of being in a band if you don't even like the music? It's pointless. Oh, so I will not. You become oh no, I no, go away. Famine, affluence, and moral. Famine, affluence, and morality will be solved worldwide. Your country will perish. I'm gonna skip this one. No, but no, I won't. God, I'm sorry I'm so quiet. No, I'm not gonna do this crap again. You can go into any book universe that you want, but you have to remain there for at least a month, and your favorite character will hate you. I didn't really read much books, but I mean, hey, that's cool. I mean, about the only book series I read was Captain Underpants, Goosebumps, what's it called? Percy Jackson and the Olympians. So I didn't really have a favorite book. I mean, I guess the werewolf at Fever Swamp, he'd probably hate me anyways because he's a werewolf and he'd probably try to eat me, but, hey, I guess I'll press that. You can go into any book universe that you want. Oh, sorry. You can go into any book universe that you want, but you have to remain there for at least a month, and your favorite character will. That one's on me. You will, you will work for Microsoft and get paid millions, but you cannot use any Microsoft products for the rest of your life. I will not. I I do that stuff every day, and I don't really care to, be work for Microsoft. I've already got a dream job I want to do, and I don't really care if it means I get paid millions. I'm on this stuff every day, so I will not. Yes, I like it. Please stop doing it. You can create everything you think of, but you never receive full credit for it. How much credit are we talking, anyways? Like, hang on a second. So, like, I could create a cure for cancer, or like make a freaking plasma bomb bazooka thing of a gun or something, and but that would be cool. I would press it, but how much credit are we talking? I mean, if we're talking like 90%, I probably wouldn't do that on my own though. I need help, so I guess I would press the button. Uh, yeah, itchy. You can bring one loved one back from the dead. You may never see them or communicate with them in any way. Okay. I mean, my dog, I mean, I can't really, uh, wait. I'm gonna, I guess I'll press the button. I don't wanna get into the story about that one. Yes, I like it. No, wait, I don't know. You have the ability to open dimensional rifts and to random alternate realities due to due to the multiverse theory being proven true multiverse. God, I'm crappy at reading. You also may bring anything through, but you may not choose the alternate reality, and the rift closes behind you as soon as you pass through. What if I'm in like a reality where like, I don't know, there's always like constant tornadoes, or like it's World War III, or like even freaking 200 Hitlers chasing people. I'm gonna. I mean, then hey, then again, hey, I could be with. What if I'm turn out in reality with Brian and Stewie, always on those go in their time machine on what's it called? Family Guy. Yeah, that'd be cool. I guess I'll press it. You grow 3 inches, but you lose 10 IQ. Alright, I don't really care to be this tall, and I kind of like to be smart. So, I mean, I think I'm only like 5'8", but I don't care to be that anymore. I don't care to be any taller, so, I mean, no, I won't press it. Yes, I like it. You get every game and console made by a company of your choice. They immediately go out of business. Every game? Are we talking every little game in the store? I mean, if they go out of business, I guess I could try to just get every last copy of every freaking game. And then just, like, sell it and give them half the money, I guess, because... I mean, I'm selling them, and it was theirs. So I guess, yeah. Sorry, I keep itching. You live in your Minecraft world forever, but a creeper will eternally follow you everywhere. If I can get miles and miles away from it, that wouldn't be a problem. I could build a house and, make defenses, maybe get it stuck in a little hole. But then that means if I went another ways off, he'd probably teleport. Is that what you're telling me? Is that what you're telling me? Anyway, I guess, yeah. You are able to enter 3 different worlds of your choosing. Harry Potter, Supernatural, Assassin's Creed. Okay, Assassin's Creed. But the longer you stay, the more you forget about the world you originally came from. I could do that because I I'm a fan of Assassin's Creed, and I mean I could go there and then leave, go there for like a few minutes and then leave again, and then maybe a few hours later go back for a few minutes and leave again. I could do that. I I mean, I never was a fan of the first Assassin's Creed game, but I loved Syndicate. And, I mean, this is why I say that, because it's awesome. Yes, I like that one. That was a good one. Oh. You can speak any language. Wait a minute. You can speak any language, but you can only speak the language you've last heard. Oh, man, I get it all the time. I like the language I already have. Well, actually, hang on a second. Let me think about this. I could work with that because what if I'm going up to somebody who speaks Japanese and then I know how to speak that and I could communicate with them, and then my friend could just say like, "Oh, hey, that stuff." And then I could be back to English. I could I could work with that. That's a cheater right there. That's a cheater. Yeah, I could do that. Yeah. You will get anything you want on your birthday next year, but you won't get any kind of presents in this remaining year. You will get anything you want on your birthday next year, but you won't get any. I would rather have those presents on Christmas, or I don't care. Birthday works too, but I mean, are we talking like I could get a car, a rifle? No, I don't care to have a rifle. Um, Anything I want? Yeah, I mean, because if you're just bullcrapping me, we're gonna have some problems. But okay, I'll press that. Not even that bad. You will have complete awareness on your deathbed, but you will know what does and doesn't come after death, and can tell no one. I'm already curious of what happens after at death, so I mean, I don't have to tell anyone. Is this volume even up at all? Oh, you're a sick individual. The Earth resets and you become God to design it as your own, but you die after making the world. Well, okay. I mean, this one's kind of hard, but okay. Hard to explain, but okay. This is the last one I'm gonna do. I ain't got time. I guess I would, because part of being Christian, I believe in God. I could go to heaven. I could do that. Um, okay, I'll press it. Okay, well, that's all the time I got. I will do another thing of this later. But no. But until next time, bye, guys.